wall. So cell wall is a structure mainly present in case of fungi, algae, plant cells. It is not found in animal cell. So mainly in case of algae, cell wall is made up of cellulose, galactons, mannose, minerals, etc. Then in case of plant cell wall is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, proteins, etc. So in here you can make out cell wall is a rigid structure. Is a non-living rigid structure found outside the plasma membrane in case of plant cell. Then in any cell you can see only the primary wall, but when the cell becomes old, one more wall layer is formed just beneath the primary wall is called secondary wall. Then between the two cells, meaning in case of plant cells, there is one more layer is present that is called as middle lamella. This middle lamella connects the two neighboring cells. Okay, it connects the two neighboring cells, and middle lamella is made up of calcium pectate. The chemical composition of middle lamella is calcium pectate. Then between the cells there is a cytoplasmic channels are formed which connect the two neighboring cells. That is called as plasma desmata. Plasma desmata. Plasma desmata is nothing but cytoplasmic channels. So that is formed between the two cells which travels through the cell wall as well as middle lamella. So that means when you tell about the difference between plant cell and animal cell wall is present in plant cell and is absent in animal cell. Then what is the function of this cell wall? Cell wall mainly a rigid structure, so it gives shape to the cell, then also protect the cell from osmotic changes. If any sudden changes occur, so that is protected from the cell wall. Then definite shape we can make out in case of plant cell mainly because of a rigid cell wall is present. So that is nothing but cell wall. So here we can make out, see cell wall is present outer to the plasma membrane. So this is the outer to the plasma membrane, it is called cell wall and is found only in plant cell, not in animal cell. Made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, etc. So this is the structure and function of cell wall. The next organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. So endo means inside. Plasmic meaning cytoplasm. Reticulum meaning network-like structure. That is network-like structure which are present in the cytoplasm of the cell is called endoplasmic reticulum. So this endoplasmic reticulum divides the whole cytoplasm into two spaces. One within the endoplasmic reticulum, that is So whatever the ribosomes are synthesized in ribosome, they are transferred to the endoplasmic reticulum. Hence, rough endoplasmic reticulum involved in protein synthesis, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum involved in lipid synthesis or steroidal hormones. Then when coming, so this is nothing but structure and functions of endoplasmic reticulum. The next cell organelle is Golgi apparatus. As the name itself indicates, is the name of scientist called Camillo Golgi, who observed this structure in the brain cells of whole. So the means here there are these are somewhat disc-shaped structure, flat disc-shaped structure. They are placed one above the other like a piles of coin. So how they arrange? Like piles of coins. They are arranged one above the other like parallel arrangement. Where you can see two phases. One is called convex cis phase and another one concave trans phase. Then, so cis phase and another one trans phase, also called maturing phase. So these Golgi complex, they are found near the nucleus, somewhat arranged concentrically near the nucleus, is called Golgi complex. Then what are the functions of these Golgi complex? So you know, they are involved in packaging and modification of proteins. So that means proteins are found in the ribosome. They are carried by endoplasmic reticulum. Then comes to the Golgi complex where packaging and modification of protein takes place. They are also involved in secretion of proteins. Then materials are packed in the vesicles of endoplasmic reticulum. They are fused with the cis phase, then move to the trans phase for secretion. Then these are the active site for formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. So these are the functions of Golgi complex. So functions of Golgi complex. So these are the organelles mainly found in plant cells as well as animal cells. Endoplasmic reticulum as well as Golgi complex found in both the cells, plant cells